In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage recurring tasks in Airtable using automations. We're going to walk through a practical example using a sales CRM base, but you can adapt this approach to any base where you want tasks or records to repeat on a schedule. The idea is to let Airtable automatically create new records for you at a set time, so you don't have to remember to duplicate them manually. First, open your Airtable base. In this example, it's a sales CRM focused on opportunities, but go ahead and open whichever base you want to automate. Once your base is open, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Automations option. This opens the Automations panel where we'll set everything up. Next, we need to define when this automation should run. Click on Add Trigger, and from the list of trigger types, choose Add Scheduled Time. This is what will make the automation run automatically without any user input. You'll now see options to configure the schedule. Click where it asks you to select the interval type and choose Days. Then adjust the number so it's set to 1. This means the automation will run once every day. You can later change this to every 7 days or every 30 days, depending on how often you want tasks to recur. But for now, we'll keep it at 1 day for a simple daily recurring task. After that, set the time. Click on the time field, choose 1200 a.m., and confirm the selection so it reads something like every 1 day at 1200 a.m. in your time zone. Running it at midnight is a good default because your new tasks will be ready at the start of the day. With the trigger set, we now need to tell Airtable what to do when that time comes. Click on Add Advanced Logic or Action, and then select Create Record. This action will create a brand new record each time the automation runs. You'll be asked to select a table. Click on the table, drop down, and choose your Opportunities table, or whichever table holds the tasks or records you want to recur. Now we define what that new record should look like. Choose a field like Opportunity Name, then click into the value area and type the text you want the recurring record to use. This could be a standard task name or a label that makes it easy to recognize as a recurring item. Once you've filled in at least one field, scroll down and click Generate a Preview. Airtable will show you an example of the record it's about to create. If everything looks good, your automation is ready to run, and you now have a basic recurring task system in Airtable.